Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a playlist inside your Flutter Android app. So firstly I'll show you the output, what I mean by it. So here you can see I have one video player playing a video, so I'll just click on the play button. Here you can see I have one video playing, and if I click on this, so I'll just lower down the volume, and if I click on this next button, here you can see that it has started playing the next video. So that's what I mean by playlist. Here you can pass local videos like the local videos URL or the network videos URL. It's up to you. I am passing the network videos URL. If I again click on next, I only have 3 videos in my playlist. So here you can see for the third video it has disabled the next button. Now if I want to go back, I can go back again to the original to the second video, and here you can see like I pressed twice, that's why it has gone back to the first video. So yeah, that's what this is. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created my Flutter application, and here I have just refactored my homepage widget, so it is a stateful widget. Here I have passed the video URL, so you can change it to whatever you feel like. Then here I have just created scaffold, safe area, size box of width, height 400 by 400, and here I have just created this my video view. So if I go to my video view .dart, it is a stateful widget. Same identifier we will have to use it on native Android side as well. And here I have created this creation params, a key as well, and here we are overriding the init state. We are creating a unique key. The creation params we have passed it as video URL, and here we call did update widget. So if the video URL is not same, we will update our widget. That's why I have created this key, and we are passing that key to our Android view. So ignore this UIKit view, this is specifically for Android. So instead of UIKit view, you can use a size box or a placeholder, something like that for now. Then you just import this imports while using this. Then open the Android folder inside Android Studio. Firstly inside Android manifest, make sure you have the internet permission, because I am using network videos which are stored on someone's server. Then inside build.gradle I have also added this bit of code. So once you add this, make sure you click on sync now. In case if you are getting any error inside your settings.gradle, make sure you update the Kotlin version as well, because Flutter is still stuck with the older Kotlin version. I don't know why. But yeah, you can update the Kotlin version and then click on sync now as well. Then inside main activity I have just overridden configure Flutter engine, and here we are registering our view. So I'm using the same identifier which we have used it on Flutter side as well. Then create a file called my video view factory. So this is boilerplate code which you have to create every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter application. Only thing is here we are passing our my video view. So for that I have created another Kotlin file class, and firstly these are all the imports for it. And here I have created one linear layout and Exoplayer as well, and this is our list which will store the video URLs. Okay, here we are returning our linear layout. We are releasing our player on dispose. Here I have created our layout params. Here we have created our player view, and this is how we get our video list. So I am just typecasting it to list of string, and once that is done, ignore this log. This was just part of my debugging. So here we are just clearing our list in case if it has anything, and I'm just looping over this data and adding all the URIs in form of media item.from URI. Instead of media item.from URI, you can use something like this as well if you want the media ID, but yeah, up to you. Then here we just call setup player. Then we just pass our my video list to our Exoplayer for setting the media items. If you want to clear the media items, you can use this particular method. If you want to enable the shuffle mode, you can do this, but I don't want this, that's why I've commented it out. Then here we just create our Exoplayer, seek to current item as well as playback position and prepare it. Hide system UI if you want, you can use it, not really necessary. And this is how we release our Exoplayer. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.